It's all too easy to take electricity for granted. At the flick of a switch, we have the power to light and heat our homes, catch up on our favourite shows, boost our businesses, and even charge our electric vehicles. Without our electricity networks, we'd be left in the dark. These networks are managed and operated by local electricity companies, with highly skilled staff making use of innovative equipment and technology to meet growing demands and keep customers happy. That's where ALVIN comes in. ALVIN is a collective suite of equipment that provides the basic building blocks for automated, low-voltage, intelligent networks and works to manage faults and regulate electrical loads. Most importantly, ALVIN knows exactly what's going on across the whole network and has intelligent decision-making capabilities. There are three main members of the ALVIN family: ALVIN Reclose, ALVIN Intelligent Link Switch, and the ALVIN Communication Portal, which can operate both independently and as one, to help electricity companies run their networks more efficiently and safely. So how do they all work? Let's start with ALVIN Reclose, which has the ability to identify and resolve network faults without getting an engineer out to the site. This ALVIN unit can replace traditional substation fuses and is able to automatically restore power to a network after determining that it's safe to do so. It does this by conducting the unique safe-on testing sequence and asking, is it safe to restore the power? Sometimes electricity companies use link boxes buried in the ground to connect substations together. These link boxes allow the engineer to manually reconfigure the electricity networks during maintenance, when dealing with faults or balancing supply and demand. This is where ALVIN Intelligent Link Switch comes in. It can team up with the ALVIN Reclose to help manage network faults, which means that customers can have their electricity supplies restored much faster and with minimal disruption. They work together like this. When a fault occurs, both ALVIN Reclose units, one from each substation, will detect it and isolate the faulty circuit. The ALVIN Intelligent Link Switch will then detect the loss of power and automatically open, separating the electricity network into two parts and restricting the fault to one of the sections. Both ALVIN Reclose units will then conduct the safe-on test to determine whether it's safe to restore the power. The first ALVIN unit will determine that it's not safe to restore power because the fault is present in that part of the network. The second ALVIN unit will not detect the fault now that the ALVIN Intelligent Link Switch is opened and will determine that it is safe to restore power. Once the fault has been repaired manually, the first ALVIN Reclose unit can be switched back on, again using the safe-on sequence. Once the power has been safely restored, the ALVIN Intelligent Link Switch will close, reconnecting the two parts of the electricity network. The Intelligent Link Switch has other key features too. Sometimes substations can be lightly loaded with electrical power, whilst neighbouring substations may be more heavily loaded. The ALVIN Intelligent Link Switch has the ability to share this workload. This method can be applied whenever the electrical load exceeds preset levels, automatically transferring power from one substation to another. Load sharing is especially handy if there are complementary demand profiles. For example, if one substation sees its greatest demand during the day, and another substation experiences its greatest demand in the evening, electricity companies can connect the substations and share the workload. By sharing capacity and maximizing resources, you get a more balanced and efficient electricity network that can quickly meet requests for more power and buy time for network planners to proactively organize the wider network. This method can defer the need for new equipment and even new substations, which can be costly, time-consuming, and inconvenient. The ALVIN Intelligent Link Switch can also connect renewable energy to other parts of the electricity network. This helps to increase network performance, solve network issues, and improve the quality of supply. As we work towards a low-carbon future and make greater use of renewable energy, power sharing will offer an innovative way for network operators to balance electrical systems for the benefit of their customers. So far, we've seen the ALVIN equipment working autonomously without any external communication. However, Enlisting the help of the ALVIN communication portal can unlock extra benefits. The portal provides real-time data to the electricity company's central control centre, which allows for remote monitoring, operation of the ALVIN equipment, and reconfiguration of the network. This smart feature will save time, cut costs, and help to improve network performance. The ALVIN team can help to manage faults, balance and share electrical loads, and enable manual operation of the network. The clever components can work together to form the basis of a fully automated, self-healing network with satisfied customers and safety at its heart.